Our aim is simple. We want you to keep your SL running like the day it left the showroom by bringing you the widest range of parts and accessories to service, restore and enhance your classic Mercedes-Benz SL. Our experience, expertise and relentless searching delivers a focus on providing parts and accessories that others can't. Our intimate understanding of these classic SLs ensures we deliver to your needs, whether that's a grommet, a wind deflector or a full set of panels for restoration. You may have owned your car from new, or you may be the current custodian, but whatever your ownership type, it's our place to help you get the most from your SL and enjoy it to the max. Conveniently, those parts and accessories that improve the ownership experience of your car will often add considerable value to it also. Of course, all of this is underpinned by our founding principles of treating customers the way we would like to be treated ourselves as owners of these cars. We'll share our passion, expertise and knowledge, and we are driven to delight all of our customers, new and old. Welcome to our passion. Welcome to the SLSHOP Parts Store.